3, 2, 1, go! Airdrome racing, Airdrome racing, Airdrome racing. Welcome to the Airdrome Racing Show. I'm your host Harry
and Richard.
Yes.
And this exciting installment that we have planned for you this week,
we have is Biggles ACE in the 21st century. It's 21st century. Yes.
Yes, 2024.
So is Biggles still ACE?
Still ACE.
Still ACE. The 21st
AJ,
century.
is he still current?
Yes.
He's still hip. Is he still hippity up?
Yes, still ACE in the 21st century.
And
so
how are you going to prove this to the audience?
We're going to rebuild a Tiger Moth for you and see what happens.
Because I thought you were going to do like interpretive dance.
No, we don't.
Like, you know,
but
acting. You know,
remember to but remember to like, subscribe, and share. So we'll get this thing started in 3, 2, 1, race. One word, broken.
Broken, badly broken. So this is how it arrived. We haven't done anything to this, alright? It obviously needs a bit of love and attention. Biggles isn't going to be happy with something like that, so
We'll
try to make Biggles proud. Extensive damage.
That's not right.
Hopefully try and put it back together and
That's not even the right one.
make Biggles proud.
Ta-da! Hey there! Okay, so what we've done is we've taken this fella.
T-Rex.
Was he? It might have been a T-Rex, or he might have been a pterodactyl. But anyway, either way, taken him and we're going to change him into some components. So we taken some of the servos off, as you can see some servos, and the ESC, and this one is a 35 amp, so hopefully we'll do it. So the idea will be we'll use one of these motors, maybe this one. What was that sound?
Turn.
Maybe one of those motors.
Zeus.
That's what we have around the house. So there you go.
That's what happens when you're not sponsored. So if there is anyone that wants to be sponsor us,
yes.
like what would be a good company to be sponsored by? T-Motor.
That's the one I've got in my hand.
What about the ESC company? What's a good ESC?
A good company.
We're not
Mad Motors. I don't know.
Do they do ESCs?
Mad Motors. I'm not sure if they do ESCs. There's some good companies out there. I can't think of them off the top of my head, but we use them quite often. So if any of those ones help us out, yeah. Hit that like button. Just weird. Like Pac-Man.
You say the doctor. Stat.
Isn't that called recycling?
Yeah.
We're being good for the environment. Ding. goes down to 270 degrees centigrade, not Kelvin. You ever see anybody measuring Kelvin these days? Some people might not know that it exists. It does. In a weird way. Just turning a helicopter into a plane. This is like sacrilege.
Can a drone be made into a plane?
It's a drone
Question
plane.
mark. It's a drone. The power of the drone. The power of the drone. Become the power of the plane.
Drone plane.
It's a new craze. Drone plane.
If it sits there like that and you hold it, do you think it'll spin?
Yes. That'd be a terrible idea.
What, do you reckon?
Yeah. It's working.
And yes, it seems to be spinning, so that's always a good sign.
And counterclockwise.
Which we need to fix some wires over. That's minor stuff.
So it's not going the right way. No, it wouldn't be, would it? It needs to go the other way. Okay, we'll turn it.
If it was a pusher, it would be the right way, but it's a puller.
Okay, well, we can swap it now. I don't want to go too high.
No. Okay, well it's working.
So it's going clockwise now.
It's clockwise.
So
That's good. Okay, so there you go. We fixed that problem. We're going to set up a model. We're using a Spektrum DSM2, and we'll try and set up on this Jumper T16. So just set up a model. Create model. What is it? It's a quad plane. Well, not really, just a plane. Does your model have a motor? Yep, my channel's on. We'll put it on 3, I think. It's usually on 3. Number of ailerons on your model. A, B. Does your model have flaps? No. Doesn't have flaps. Carry on. Pick the tail configuration of your model. 1 channel for elevator.
it doesn't have a V, does it?
Alright, click into that. 2 channels for elevator, 1 for rudder. It's not a V tail. I guess the other if it doesn't have an option. Oh, here we go. 1 channel for elevator, no rudder. That's us. Good. Yes, all well. Create the plane. Model successful. Return to exit. Yep, channel apparently we called it model 5, so return out of that. Model 5 changes name. We can find an image for it later on. Okay, so we've got that. Okay, we're gonna go with we're gonna bind this sucker. Alrighty. External multi. No, not zero. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Do you think somebody that originally made this was like a fan of Star Trek? Beam me up, Scotty. DSM2. Try order. Alright. It's powerful. You good? Is it AET now? Yeah, it must be. Okay. You good? So what do we got to do? Plug this in? You've got that little piece in there? Correct? We made that up into the battery segment. So we plug this in. You click bind first. Should be chirping. There we go. I plug that in, negative, negative, positive, positive. So hopefully and then I thought it normally goes with flash. And it pops out. Didn't do anything.
Got it.
What were we doing wrong? Oh, we didn't have 21 here. Is that what we did wrong?
I know. That was order. I had that on order.
Oh. What did we do wrong?
Nothing. I had to have the bind plug in.
Yeah.
And then it was blinking.
Yeah.
While the bind button was going.
Yeah.
And what was chirping.
Yeah.
Pull bind plug out. Then it went.
Okay. Plug it in.
Yeah. Hopefully. What's coming up in here? The servo's working. Oh! Yep.
There you go.
Well, it worked. You got some kind of results.
Yeah. Okay. So on that note, we'll carry on.
Start putting them into the... wiring them into the Tiger Moth.
We will.
Okay, we're back. From 266 Squadron.
266 Squadron. Just like Biggles. Alright, so here we go.
Anyway, so this is it. It's a little bit better now.
Yes.
I'd say a little bit in a very general term. So just to give an idea what we've actually done, so we had originally it had 2 servos doing the elevator.
We just changed that to one.
We need all the help we can get, so we reduced the weight of the servo, put a thing through here, a bit of wire through here, and then glued it.
So now we've only got up and down, right? So it's just got this.
Yeah. And then
never fly
this one, rudder, don't want it. Alright, so we just put 2 pins straight through there, and then we just fly with it ailerons. And upside down, right? So we put a strap through here, glued that back on, because
it needed some work.
And all this whole wing needs to be attached at some point. And we need to put the servos in here, and then give you an idea of what it looks like.
I just tilt it down a little bit with my camera.
This whole thing comes off, so obviously we need to attach the actual biplane and the wing struts so it doesn't fall apart.
You know, minor details.
Servo needs to go in there to do the actual elevator. You know, just minor stuff, and then obviously the receiver has to go in, and eventually the motor and the propeller obviously to power it, and then on top of that the wheels. So you don't really need wheels, but it makes it so it doesn't break on landing mainly.
Okay, so we'll get started then.
Wow.
This is called restoration.
Oh, maybe that's what we should call it. Biggles restoration. From this to that, like before and after.
Right. It's another day, another dollar. So that's what they say.
That's a common phrase.
And
Mini circles.
Another day, another dollar. Yes, they do say that. And we, what else is there? We're gonna continue on with the build this fella together, and
to make Biggles proud.
And we can say thanks very much to the good people, subscribers,
And the viewers.
So thanks so much.
So keep subscribing, keep viewing, and then
Keep commenting, good comments.
and then maybe one day we'll get enough to be pros.
Go to the moon.
to be pros at this.
Pros at this.
To become pro. That's what they call it.
Oh.
Like,
Well,
like
you never know.
surfboard, and you're like, oh yeah, he's got sponsorship.
Well, we could go to the moon. Well, you know, like
As an astronaut.
no. Send one of these things up that direction as far as we can go.
You reckon we can go?
There's an episode. That'd be good. What do you think?
If there's anybody out there that
comment,
can help us out with that,
Yes.
we'd be definitely keen to
make that
see if we
right.
can make that happen.
Yes.
Go.
We might have to get NASA approval for that. Dunno.
There's lots of people in the world. One of them might be able to help.
Yeah, just comment below if you know.
Yeah, if you know, you can hook it up and.
We're in New Zealand, so. Video Easy doesn't exist anymore.
That's where you can see this logo without any problems.
What happened to them? Did they go into liquidation?
Probably. People don't really want DVDs anymore.
No, it's all about Netflix and FlixNet.
FlixNet.
I don't think we can say that. We can say FlixNet.
Can you say Neo?
You can see the opposite version of neon. That's like neon.
Neon.
You can see that version. You can't see that version. So what's the other one?
Light box.
Box light.
Box light.
You can't see the light. You can see box light. Yeah. Doesn't nobody understand that. It's kind of like I was trying to think of
garbage really.
Cleon probably. Blah. Comment below if you understood what Richard just said when he said blah.
But I think it's supposed to go.
Yes.
Okay.
See if it worked.
New hole.
Slightly bigger.
How's that?
What? Yeah, I think so. Alright, so that's pretty much us done on this sequence. We've done a couple of things. Mainly the nose.
Mainly the nose reconstruction.
Yep.
And attached the
We've got a
motor
nose job. There you go.
from botched.
Yes, it's got a nose job. So there you go. It's got a new motor on there. ESC.
And it's got some landing gear.
Oh yes, it's.
And it's got, we'll put the struts on and attach them. Put the wing on and the servos.
But we haven't attached to the broken wires yet, so we'll just tie that out of the way.
And we just, I'm going to tighten up the little prop and just for engine test and see if it's probably not the right prop that we're going to be using. It's just a prop that we had just in there.
This is just
more like just to check.
We didn't actually really say about it. It's actually a drone prop. So
drone motor.
Sorry. So
what is it? It's an
F60
Pro 3 KV 1900. So
1900 kVs there, yeah. We don't know if it will fly. We didn't bother with any thrust testing.
We didn't do any e-cals or anything like that. It's just what we had. So
if it flies, it flies. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It'll sink or swim.
Yeah, and also
it's just what they used to do. You know, that's just how the Wright brothers did that.
okay.
Interesting one. They might have to add a bit of up and down on it to keep it flat.
Okay.
Intriguing. But it did go a little bit. So there you go.
The other possibility is that the wheels, they might be run the wrong way.
What do you mean?
Or just tilted forward, right? Oh, but you'd be able to compensate that with an up, right?
Oh, did we put it on? I thought we had them around the other way.
Just as that.
There you go, something slightly overlooked. Minor difficulty. But yeah, the motors are spinning. The motor is spinning, and the flaps are moving. So there you go.
We're giving it a paint job. We're trying to anyway. Make it a little bit better. It's not really going to win any like
Beauty contest.
So then it's a restoration, not a
restoration.
What do you think, Richard? Do the chances are fair, would you say?
Anything's possible.
Do you think the prop will be the right size?
It's all things that we'll find out.
It's unclear, really. Is it right orientation?
Yes, I think so. So that we go there, we go left, drop that way, down there, drop that way. Just to go up.
Yeah. Looks good. Look at that. Oh wow.
Perfect.
Well, it's technically got. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Pretty sketchy actually.
There it goes.
I mean, it is going, right? Just, it doesn't.
Is that what you call it?
I mean, it's up. How about that? How about that? That's all right.
You just killed the passenger.
Yeah, everybody died, but we got down. Oh, I'll give it a charge and go again. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna. It's in one piece. Do you think we need to put a bigger prop on it?
I don't know, what was it doing?
Hey?
What was it doing? What did it do? In the end? It acted differently.
Yeah, real weird. Now wait for it. 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 Wait.
Good throwing.
Nice throw. Phew.
Good throwing. I've seen all day. Which way are you going, Richard?
I'm going to the right. Okay, coming right now. Okay, going to start my right hand turn.
Oh, it's going quite well with you.
Yeah, well, you know, give it time.
We can have different ideas. Just try and get up in frame and the frame.
That's cool. Nice one, eh?
Really cool.
Okay, I'm going to think about my right hand turn shortly. Okay, I'm going to start turning right.
Yeah.
Miles away. High.
Oh,
Going under now.
Okay, starting my right hand turn. I saw that, Jay. Nice one. No, it's cool, man.
Yeah.
Is that cool, eh?
yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, I'm going to think about my turn. Okay, starting my turn.
We're sitting at 2 minutes just now.
Yeah, that's flying better now.
Yeah, there's a little bit nice and low.
Oh, correct it to my left. That's actually going quite nicely, you know? Okay, correcting for the straight. Okay, same my right hand turn. How are we going on time, people? Okay, same my turn.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
He's on your right, Harry. Trolling up. I'm going to start my turn. I'm over the top of your head. Any idea how long we've been up, guys? Okay, save my turn. Yeah, he's out of your way, yeah. He's on my right. Oh, I wasn't watching where I was going. Okay. Okay, start my turn. Okay, I think that might be enough for the battery, I think. Okay, I'm going to start my approach, guys. Okay, turning in now.
That's doing well, though.
Yeah, it's a lot more. Wow. That was cool. Holy cow, that's wrong. Hey, we got it down, no noise. No, I think it's a piece. Wait, hang on, Harry, watch, he's on your left. Stay up, stay up, stay up. He's coming in. Oh, nice one. Hey! Well. Here you go.
And welcome back to the
Aerodrome Racing
show. Well, welcome back to the end of the episode of the, what do we call it? The Biggles ACE in 2024 and
in the 21st century.
In the 21st century, yes. So that was the question we were aiming to answer, and I think
the general census is
yes. Apparently, it's
still current. People still like it.
They like the iconic shape
and the wing, and you can see it quite clearly when you're flying behind it.
It's a very yellow colour, so it stands out quite well.
It's got ends up. We put a 7-inch drone motor, prop on it, and it's a 1900 kV with a 3S 1300 milliamp battery.
Yes.
So that's all the.
It's not what everybody would put on, but
specs.
it's all we had lying around the house. So.
And in the end, the reason was why it was so tricky to fly the first one was because the
which one
servo on the right hand
on this one,
Iron,
was it that one?
That one. It died, so we had to replace it. So we just made an L bend and.
So it seized up on takeoff, do you think? On the old maiden
or just
flight?
after takeoff on the maiden flight.
Well, so that makes things interesting. So
it's only flying with one.
So you can fly a plane with just one servo and one elevator.
It is a little tricky.
It just makes it a little bit more exciting. But it can be done. But that's why there's this weird L bend because
I don't want to cut a bigger hole.
Yeah, but it was a reversed servo.
This is not how it originated.
No. But that's how it is, and it flew well. And I think Bigglesworth would be proud. Would you agree?
Yeah.
So thanks very much for sticking to the end of the Aerodrome Racing Show, and we'll subscribe,
stay tuned
for the next episode. We post these episodes once a week.
And if you keep tuning in, because sometimes we actually do live streams.
Sometimes randomly.
And then we do a lot of shorts, so you're more than welcome to tune to those.
Yes. So thanks so much for sticking with us.
Tell your friends.
Yes.
Tell your sister. Tell your mother.
Get them all to sign up. Yeah, that's the one. But we're very happy to have you here, and we like making these episodes. So we'll see each other on the next exciting episode of the Aerodrome Racing Show. I'm your host, Harry.
And I'm your other host, Richard.
Yes. So,
we'll sign things out.
Yes. And 3, 2, 1,
go!
Aerodrome Racing, Aerodrome Racing, Aerodrome Racing. Yeah.